Thank you for buying this 21940-82 abstract cat artwork from Fixture Displays. This is about 5 inches tall, 3.5 inches wide. It's made from sheet metal that is spaced out in the bottom to allow it to stand on its own. This nice cat kitty art is an excellent piece to display on your tabletop, your bookshelf, nightstand, or even your vanity, or you can position this on your car with a proper adhesive. In this 21940 family, we have many other designs. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com and type in 21940 for other styles in this family, among many other product choices on our website. I hope you enjoyed this video and this product. Remember, like us, subscribe, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Thank you.